So today we found out this fridge is at a really good temperature because when you pour it into a cup, this is what the water does.
See how high we can get it?
No, it's gonna fall. You gotta stop doing it! You're gonna get it everywhere. Also, in other news, our heaters aren't working. So we're about to go over to the landlord's house to see if we can hopefully get it fixed.
Well, it's Sunday, so.
But it's Sunday, so Germans don't typically do any physical exerting activities on Sunday, so we'll see how it goes.
You're talking, but you're showing me?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're just taking his aminos. What's new?
But the camera's on me.
This is all the dishes we have to do still, even though we've done a lot already. So hopefully we get our heat fixed today. If not, we're just gonna freeze to death, so say bye.
Bye-bye.
Today is Saturday. We are headed to the base first to get gas, and then we're gonna go to IKEA to get some furniture, hopefully. We gotta get like a dining room table and some shelving because there's no storage in the house. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And where's IKEA?
I don't know.
It's in Koblenz, which is about an hour away. And so we're gonna head over there. Unfortunately, it's cash only. And
The sun has been out 4 days in a row.
yes, it's very pretty. As you can see when the sun's out. So hopefully we'll get to kind of videotape our little shopping trip. We're almost to IKEA, but I wanted to bring up some things I've noticed, like while not driving obviously, but riding in the car. So we were just in like a little traffic thing. There was an accident, and so traffic was backed up. And you know how you're supposed to, in the States, do like a zipper thing? Like where one car lets a car in and then the next car gets to go, and then you let a car in and then the car goes. So like everybody gets a chance to get in the lane. They actually do that here. So it's like bizarre to see people actually being like courteous in traffic. And also, they call cell phones handies, which is a little weird. So, like, if somebody asks for your cell number, they'll be like, hey, can I get your handy?
Some lady said she was going to give me her handy.
Yeah, and we were like, what? It was very weird, but it was very different. So those are a couple things that are different here.